Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the supplementary from Unit 2 named Jim Carpet, a hunter turned naturalist. Through this title, we can know the main character of the story. So, Jim Carpet is the main character of the story. Have you ever heard the word carpet? It is the famous national park. Okay, children, before we are going to get into the story, shall we get to know the facts about the tigers? We all know that tigers are our national animal. They are predators. Do you know what is predators? If an animal eats other animal, they are called predators. Tigers eat other animal, so it is called predator. If tigers live in a forest, the forest will become very dense because it eats some herbivores. Herbivore means plant eating animals like deer, rabbit, like that. The tiger hunts the herbivores, so the trees grow very fast in the forest. So the forest become very dense. If a tiger does not live in a forest, the forest will become sparse. Sparse means not dense. So, naturalist says that tigers are the real king of the forest. Shall we see what is the story is about? In brief, the story is about Jim Corbett. He is Jim Corbett. His full name is Edward James Corbett. He was a British wildlife photographer, hunter, and naturalist. He had a lot of experience with tigers and other wild animals. He did not like to kill wild animals for pleasure or sport, but he did not hesitate to kill man-eating tigers or leopards. Once in Nepal, in Champawat, a tiger who killed nearly 436 villagers. The tiger is known as Champawat tiger. The Nepalese army failed to capture the tiger, so the British government requested Jim Corbett to help the villagers. He agreed to hunt down the man-eating tiger. Finally, the tiger was shot in 1907 by Jim Corbett. Let's see the glossary in this story. Hesitate. Pass before saying or doing something. Fatalities. An occurrence of death by accident. Restricted. Limited extent. Pursuit. Search. Encroachment. To advance beyond usual limits. Preservation. Protection. Let's see the glossary word one by one. Hesitate. Pass before saying or doing something. Look at the boy. He hesitated to dive. Fatalities. An occurrence of death by accident. Number of fatalities increases day by day by the road accidents. Restricted. Limited extent. Government restricted us to wear mask. Pursuit. Search. A little girl found her favorite storybook after a long time of pursuit. Encroachment. To advance beyond usual limits. After the encroachment, The road become a Broadway. Preservation, protection. Pollution becomes a challenge for the preservation of the earth. Are you eagerly waiting to pounce into the story like this tiger? The story will be started in the next video. Thank you, children.